today's project is, this is the end of October. October is fire prevention month, right? So what are some of the key ways that you have fires, house fires during the winter time? Electrical, chimney fires. So we are taking care of that one today as best we can. I'm going to clean this chimney out. I've got an extension rod here with a brush on the end. I'm going to take the cap off of this. A couple things about the cap is you'll see this is all slotted, and I've had it in the past where this will build up with soot and actually choke it, choke the air and stuff from smoke from being able to come out. And so you got to make sure that is clean. I've got little screws in here that hold this cap on. So let's take the cap off. We burn our wood stove 24/7 during the winter time. So it is important that you keep your maintenance up on this. Looking at this firsthand, it looks pretty good. I think I did it toward the end of last year, maybe in February or April. I went through and did it. I'm doing it right now, right away in the fall, because actually Carmen's going to do a cleaning inside, a good dusting, and I think 2 times ago she had dusted the entire house, and then I decided it was time to clean the chimney. Well, when I started the vacuum cleaner to suck the stuff out of there's a little turn in the pipe inside the house, and when I started the vacuum cleaner up, and we had soot dust flying around after she had just dusted, it was not good for me at all. So we're gonna do that for this year right now, and then Carmen's coming right behind me and doing her fall dusting. Okay. The other thing you should do when you're up here is take a look around your chimney. Is there any spots around your flashing where water could get in and you could get moisture going into your attic area? So now the idea of this brush, this is I think a 6-inch brush, it just fits in there and it just scratches the sides down and cleans the soot off of your, and that soot is what catches on fire and causes chimney fires, right? So I'm kind of scrubbing my way down the line here. A little at a time. I'll set this back down. If you don't feel comfortable on your roof, don't do it. There are plenty of people out there that do this kind of thing. Hire a professional. It's worth the money. This roof isn't too bad to do this on, so I'm not too panicked about it. There. All right. There are the odds I can line the holes up here. There's a dent around on there. got a fly up here. I can't believe the flies that we've seen this year. Just been crazy. Tighten that screw in there. I want it relatively tight so when the gales of November come, that cap doesn't come flying off. It's not going anywhere. We're done up on the roof. Now let's go inside and see what we have. I'm going to take these pieces of pipe apart now. And then pull that out of where the chimney comes in. I'll take these outside, hit them with the brush, and clean them out. And then right in that where it makes the right-hand turn up there, I'll suck out all the stuff, the soot in that came down from up above.
Make sure you have a bag in there.
Hit the like and subscribe button. Check out the other videos at Perrodin the Project Specialist. Right. So in conclusion, we are done. I had a little bit of buildup on the horizontal pipe that goes to the elbow for the vertical chimney. And that was, everything else was pretty clean, which once again comes down to what Dad taught me many years ago. Burn hardwood, burn good wood. We had a neighbor, he used to have a chimney fire about once a year because he'd get pallets from work. And sure enough, come January, fire department would come squealing by. Burn good wood, take care of your chimneys, and you should have a safe year. So things can still happen, but I think we got this as best we can. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the other videos at Perrodin the Project Specialist. And don't be afraid to have a specialist do this. You're at your own on this. Take care. Have a good day.